Hello students, good morning everyone. Now we start today our mental maths corner. Chapter 2 Mental Maths Corner. Our all activities are done. So today we start our mental maths corner. Now in mental maths corner first question is fill in the blanks. Now first fill up is the successor of the greatest four digit number is. Now, what is the meaning of successor? Successor, that means after number, and we get after number by adding 1 in given number. The greatest four digit number is 9999. When we add 1, we got 10,000. Next is the smallest three digit number formed using the digit 350. Forming small digit, that means arrange all numbers in ascending order, but 0 on first place it's not possible, so it is stood on the second place. So our smaller number is 305. 8484 rounded off to the nearest tens is 8480. Why? For the nearest tens, we observe the number of ones place. If it is less than 5, we use lower tens. So it is the 80. Now, the predecessor of this, solve yourself, and this expanded form write in the short form yourself. Then after we have solved the cross number puzzle. Now, cross number puzzle is across. Across, that means we should write the answer in sleeping way. Down, that means we should write the answer in standing way. Our first sleeping is predecessor of 4, 5, 6, 8. Now predecessor, that means we should subtract 1. So answer is 4567. Now down A, successor of 4523. For successor, we should add 1. So our answer is 4524. Understood? Next is successor of 6548. It's a D across. So हमें क्या निकालना था? सक्सेसर. तो 6549 and predecessor of 7644. We should subtract 1. So answer is 7643. Now there are two questions are remaining which you solve yourself in your textbook. Understood? Now next is the review exercise. Now what is the meaning of review exercise? Review exercise, that means which we learned in this chapter, these all activities given in this exercise. Okay. First is the ascending order. Ascending, that means small to big, solve yourself. Then after second is descending order. Again descending, that means big to small. Again you solve yourself. Next is form the smallest and greatest numbers using the following digits. हमें ये डिजिट यूज़ करके स्मॉलेस्ट और ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर बनाना है. तो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर इज 1049, greatest 9410. With the using of these digits, 2359 and greatest is 9532. Write whether the numbers are even or odd. So for even or odd, we observe the place of ones. 2 is even, so this is even. 1 is odd, so this is odd. Remaining 2, solve yourself. Complete the following patterns using skip counting. अब आपको इसमें skip counting देखनी है कि वो कितने नंबर की है. In both numbers 7 7 same. Now 20 after 39. 29 से 39 पे जाने के लिए कितने फिंगर काउंट होंगे? 10. That means this is the skip counting of 10. So 739 after 749, 759, 769. Now in the second, first number is given, but second is not given. Now third and fourth given. So what you are doing? You subtract third number from the fourth. So you got difference between two numbers. It is 10, 100 और 1000. वो आप फाइंड आउट करोगे और उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप ये सेकंड और थर्ड स्किप काउंटिंग डन करोगे. Now next is the hot question. Write the correct symbol, greater, smaller or equal. For greater and smaller, compare all the digits. First 1000, then 100, then tens, then ones. So here is 9276 is bigger. Next 300 into 4. So first what you are doing? First you write the answer of this sum. 4 3s are 12. 12 after 2 zeros. So 1200. And here again 1200. So answer is equal. 4561. Here 4351. So what you are doing? 4 and 4 both sides same. Now 5 and 3. Who is bigger? 5. So 4561 is bigger. Now here 3756 and this side. Find out the answer. What is the answer of this side? 3576. Now here second digit is 5 and here second digit is 7. So this is the bigger number. Understood? Next is 9999 minus 1000. So our answer is 8999 and this side only 8000. So this number is bigger. Now next is 6000 plus 1100. So answer is 7100 and this is also 7100. So answer is equal. And the last activity is maths lab activity. We should also solve this in our textbook. Now I read it. After the Olympics, Commonwealth Games is the largest sports festival in the world, involving athletes from the Commonwealth of Nations. The first edition of the event was held in 1930 in Canada. The last 6 Commonwealth Games were held in different countries in the following years. 1930 में जो कॉमनवेल्थ गेम हुआ था उसके बाद जो गेम्स हुए थे उसके बारे में नीचे जानकारी दी गई है. नाउ व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, राइट द ईयर्स इन द बॉक्सेस इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर टू मेक द टाइमलाइन फॉर द कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स. हमें यहाँ पे असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में ईयर लिखने हैं. ओके, हाउ डू वी राइट? वी डू नॉट राइट लाइक दिस फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड देन 4 5 6. नो, फर्स्ट then second, then third, then fourth, then 5, then 6. Like this ascending order. 1994, then 1998, then 2002, then 2006, then 2010, and the last is 2014. Next is, now arrange the years in descending order. Now we arrange this all years in descending orders. That means big to small. So our first answer is 2014, then 2010, then 2006, then 2002, then 1998, and the last is 1994. So here our chapter number 2 is done. For today's, I am remaining only few questions. Okay, mental maths corner. Here only two fill-ups remaining. Here two crossword remaining. Then review exercise, ascending order, descending order, even odd number, and skip counting is your homework. Rest of all fill by me. So your today's homework complete in your textbook, and if there are any query, please ask me either by call or by the message. Okay student, so till then bye everyone, and please complete your homework.